Okay, we're entering yung what they call Black Museum. Kahapon may Blue Temple, White Temple. Ngayon naman is the Black Museum of Chiang Rai. So dito yung papasok ka, no? The main entrance. So we're in Chiang Rai, no? Northern Thailand. So this is near border with Laos na rin, no? At saka Burma, Myanmar. Let's go inside, no? Yung mga hindi natin na or murals. Okay, this one. Okay, sa loob pa siguro. Let's cover this one. Okay. I like this one, yung horse. You want to read this one? This one also. You want to read? Look closer. Then this one. Let's have here. Oh, there's a cat. No? Grabe, pagagawa niya. And you have a long table. Ewan ko pa, totoo ba to? This is parang this really skin of a crocodile. Okay. How about this one? Want to read? Pasok tayo sa loob. What is this one? Oh, coins don't touch. Ka-spread yung mga coins. Ano yung mga kanina may mabasa mo to, no? Kung i-kopya ano to, they want to read. This one, no? Di kinukuhaan ko na lang, makabasahin na lang natin. Ito yung sa likod, no? Ng entrance. It's a massive structure here. What about here? Totoo ba to na crocodile skin? Ha? Laki, oh. Tingnan mo yung scale, no? Okay. This one. Ano to? Final painting for this coverage. Want to read it? Okay.